Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are starting the first knowledge sharing module on Tableau. This would be an introductory session to the Tableau software. So let's get started. Tableau is a data visualization software designed to query cloud databases, spreadsheets, machine learning algorithms, social databases, and other database advancements. Create simple oriented graph-like data visualizations. With its friendly drag and drop interface, anyone can understand its functionalities. Tableau is a great software to simplify all your data visualization tasks to create better and accurate analysis. Tableau is one of the fastest growing data visualization tools, which is presently being used a lot in the BI industry. This software provides the most efficient way to change or transform the raw data into an easily understandable format. Tableau enables us to make dashboards that gives actionable insights and spreads the business faster. There are plenty of reasons listed below that will tell you why businesses use Tableau as a data visualization tool. The first being great visualizations. With Tableau, you can work with more unordered data and create varieties of visualizations with the help of the inbuilt features. Second, detailed insights. You will be able to explore visualizations and observe data from different approaches. With hypothetical visualizations and a feature of adding components for comparison and analysis, you can frame what if queries and work on the data accordingly. User-friendly approach. Since Tableau offers most of its features in a drag and drop form, and each visualization is built in and self-depicting, any newbie can work without any prior set of skills. Working with the different data sources. This tool allows you connecting different data sources, data warehouses, cloud files, big data, spreadsheet data, non-relational, and several other types of data. Fifth being data set adding is easy. Tableau can add new datasets easily, which can be automatically blended with Tableau using common fields. Tableau offers 5 main products catering to diverse visualization needs for professional and organizations. They are Tableau Desktop, made for individual use; Tableau Server, collaboration for any organization; Tableau Online, business intelligence in the cloud; Tableau Reader, let you read files saved in Tableau Desktop; and Tableau Public, for journalists or anyone to publish interactive data online. With that, we are ending with the first session. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, keep tabs on the Tableau. Thank you.